Hi, I'm Robert Naorem. I'm a fashion designer in Manipur. I work exclusively on handloom and textile, and especially I work with different communities and diversity of our culture. I'm really proud whenever I showcase my design to the rest of the world about my collection. We have a beautiful culture from different communities. I always love to do that, and I don't want to stop it. The situation in Manipur is very bad. We really need the attention from the whole country, from across the world, to bring back the peace and normalcy in our state. We really need help. We really need the support from the center as well as the state government, as well as from our own people, from both the sides, to bring back the peace. I really wanted to request with my folding hands and request to both the sides to stop the violence, bring back the peace, and support our peace-loving diversity culture of our Manipur. Manipur has been inhabited by different communities, different tribes, different religions. It's not about religion which the fight has been going on. The clash which is going on is because of the misunderstanding between two communities. It's not about tribals, it's not about Hindu and Christian. There are a lot of religions which predominantly stays in Manipur, but a lot of the national media which are not taking the real ground report and focusing more on the religion and the tribals and the communities. It's not about communities, it's not about tribals, it's not about religion. The actual clash is because of the misunderstanding between our own brothers. We live in a society where we love each other, and I always love them. Trust me, I have worked closely with Kuki community as well as Manipur. From my own levels, as you all can, and I have the proof that I have worked closely with both the communities. Recently, I did a show in Kuki community supporting the tribal motifs. I have done that. Whenever I showcase something across the world, I never miss out my tribal brothers and sisters, the beautiful waves of tribals. But I feel that it is necessary for us to bring that back. I'm always proud of it. I hope you all will not misunderstood and think that I support my Tay community. No. I support both the communities. I support peace. And I urge both my communities that to stop violence. Let's support the youth sections of the society which we are suffering. We are driving towards the development, towards tourism, towards promotion. I was really happy that Femina Miss India exists here. The tourism started developing, and I hope the tourists will attract Manipur. But I hope this thing should not stop the tourists to come back here in Manipur, and it should not be a place where people are scared to come. We should bring back the normalcy, we should bring back the development, and I personally don't support the poppy plantation, which is a measures taken by the government. Let's stop this and let's get involved into the developmental process which is taken by the government, and let's make our Manipur sign to the rest of the world. I again request to all my people that to maintain the peace and stop the violence. Thank you.